Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the 7th module of chapter Motion. In this module, we are going to discuss what is acceleration. During uniform motion of an object along a straight line, the velocity remains constant with time. In this case, change in velocity of the object for any time interval is zero. Anyways, in non-uniform motion, velocity varies with time. It has different values at different instants and at different points of the path. So, can we express the change in velocity of an object? Let us consider first a car moving with a speed of 80 km per hour along a straight road. Second, a plane moving with a constant speed of 1000 km per hour along a straight path. In which case do you think acceleration is involved? None of the case. Because both the car and the plane is moving with constant speed, or in other words constant velocity. So there is no acceleration as there is no change in velocity. Most people relate acceleration to high speed, which is wrong. Acceleration exists only when there is change in velocity. So what is velocity? In symbol, speed plus direction gives velocity, and it is a vector quantity. Let us consider a body moving from rest and attains a velocity of 20 km per hour in 5 seconds. Is there an acceleration present? Yes, because velocity changes. Initial velocity was 0 km per hour and finally it acquires a velocity of 20 km per hour in 5 seconds. Assume that a body is moving with a speed of 30 km per hour and it changes its direction to right. Is there an acceleration now? Yes, change in direction changes velocity, but speed is constant here. So change in the direction can cause change in velocity and produce acceleration, even though the speed is constant. So it is a very important point to understand. Now let us understand the definition for acceleration. How can we define acceleration? Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity. So acceleration can be mathematically expressed as change in velocity by time. If an object changes its velocity from an initial value of u to a final value v by taking a time t, a is equal to v minus u by t. So acceleration in simple can be written as change in velocity by time. And the SI unit for acceleration is meter per second square, and it is derived from velocity and time. Let us see what is positive, negative and zero acceleration. Coming to positive acceleration, consider a bus starting from rest and velocity goes on increasing. Here, the bus is undergoing a positive acceleration. In positive acceleration, direction of acceleration is in the same direction as that of velocity. Consider a car moving and suddenly comes to a rest. Here, the velocity comes to zero. When velocity goes on decreasing, acceleration is negative. Negative acceleration is also called retardation or deceleration. Direction of negative acceleration is opposite to the direction of velocity. Now consider a scooter moving with a constant speed or velocity of 30 km per hour. Here, what is the change in velocity? There is no change in velocity. As the velocity remains the same or uniform here, acceleration is said to be zero acceleration. Now, let us understand what is uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. If an object travels in a straight line and its velocity increases or decreases by equal amounts in equal intervals of time, then the acceleration is said to be uniform acceleration. Example, a freely falling body. Apple falling from an apple tree is an example for uniform acceleration. And if an object travels in a straight line and its velocity changes by unequal amounts in equal intervals of time, then the acceleration is said to be non-uniform acceleration. A car moving with different speeds at different points of the journey can be considered to be an example for non-uniform acceleration. So we have studied what is acceleration. Thank you.